How to set Bitcoin on Bitamp. First of all, open Bitamp on any of the browser you have on your phone, or you can use the app as well. Sign into your account and you can see this type of interface. To send the Bitcoin to your friends or any of the business, you can see the option of send. Go ahead and tap on send. And the next step is to enter the Bitcoin address or scan the QR code from your people. So after you have done that, you can enter the amount. It's quite easy. Just go ahead and enter the amount and it will be translated or it will be supported. So go ahead and tap on this and you can see the donation amount as well. You can enter the donation amount as well. Then you can see the option of send BTC and you can set the transaction fee to regular, priority or slow as well. Once you do this, just go ahead and tap on send BTC. Make sure that you do have some Bitcoin on your account, otherwise you cannot do so. This is how easy it is to send the Bitcoin on Bitamp. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.